In this video, you'll learn how to log into your eBay account. This guide will take you through each necessary step to ensure a smooth login process. Begin by opening the eBay website on your preferred browser or launching the eBay app on your mobile device. Look for the sign in button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the screen. It is important to confirm you are on the official eBay platform to protect your account information. Before proceeding, check your internet connection for stability, as a poor connection can hinder the login process. Avoid using public Wi-Fi networks for security reasons, and have your registered email address or username. Next, enter your email address or username in the designated field. Be careful to type it accurately to avoid login issues. In the password field, type your password without errors. If you have difficulty verifying your password, you can use the show password option to view the characters you are entering. If you have forgotten your password, there is usually a link to reset it. Should you be prompted to complete any verification steps, follow the instructions carefully to proceed. Before moving on, review your login details to ensure they are correct. After confirming your details, click the sign in button to log into your account. Once this action is completed, you should see your account dashboard appear. To verify that you have logged in successfully, check for your username displayed, which indicates that you are now signed in. From here, you can navigate to My eBay for account management tasks and access your purchase history. For enhanced security, consider enabling two-factor authentication. This additional layer of protection will require a verification code sent to your mobile device or email each time you log in. If you are using a shared or public device, make sure to log out after each session to prevent unauthorized access to your account. Always keep your login credentials private and secure to protect your personal information. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.